Tiring chinda nipe cheba nishtsabge resa mingma nyingi ngador shuga thejin chuling tsula khangi sungchu rawe na gyaga gi shungkhong mayimbe chokba M3M Foundation ta Meherchand Mahajan Trust ta National Confederation of Indian Industry che chokba sum thumo ne chidar sundep shibashi chino khongsa kyamgoyin chimbuchogi chokbe gole ta na shi chokbe leshi lobthar sumbe lomakhaji la jekha ta kalop zewata ta phelo sabe losa sungji jegi shuga thejin chuling tsula khangi sungchu rawe na khongsa Kyamgoyin Chimbuchogi Zeting Thongmate Kyangnaso. Teyang Chino Khongsa Kyamgoyin Chimbuchogi Jiso Dedun To Shamdek Drupken Tsokpa Tesumgi Gole Tsongmitang Lobtu Kyun Midang Nige Yeme Shila Kalobgi Tsowu Shide Pombe Zamling Digang Mitsu Semla Degi Dungkyu Te Tsowu Mi Pensun War Yenje Tang Tenker So Majebar Tsangme Pensun Do Mi Jiksungi Dushe Zingwebe Tula Bab Yobata Te To Nangsemgi Shide Kongbe Te Gyaga Watsu Gyaga Gi Nawe Rikshung Lobjong Chede Zamling Kyun Yong La Shide Dungkyu Te Shamdek Drupkyu Mikse Gi Nuba Den Yodab Tedar Begweba Gatse Watang Ta Kani Kutsoshu Ring Zamling Digang Yenje Tang Tenger Zonyo So Shishing Shide Denbe Zamling Shik Sigyu Tugri Changshin Yoba Gatse Son.
So that's, I think, our common responsibility to build happy humanity with sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. You see, they no longer too much emphasis my nation, my religion, their religion. We are basically same human being. The way we born, same way. The way we die, same way. No differences. So now we should emphasis on sort of similarity, sameness. We're all human beings. So I'm hoping within my lifetime, I think world can develop genuine, peaceful world. No longer weapon, no longer strong feeling of discrimination. A lot of Western educationists really showing interest about peace of mind. Not only just pray, but thinking, try to tackle anger, jealousy, and try to increase affection, compassion. So we can certainly make some contribution for peace of mind.
Meherchand Mahajan Tebze Jingyong Ginzin Kushab Vivek Mahajan Laki Tare Khon Namla Khonsa Kyamgoyin Chimbuchogi Kalop Zewa Thedani Tugi Gokhota Mire Ngorer membership Chungyoba Sungtu.
What he said today, what he spoke about it, is very relevant in today's world. He spoke about compassion. He spoke about non-violence. He spoke about that disarmament, that we should drop arms. We are all one. Humanity is one. The world is one. He touched upon the topic of global warming, that we all human beings should work together so that we make this world a better place. And I feel that he touched each one of our hearts today. And not only that, he's present within us. And I'm really, really happy to be here. I'm delighted to be here and to get his blessings.
M3M Foundation yi lakshe jongdar nangse shunge khachi ki khon nambe jongdar legdup chungwe jesu tedar khonsa kyamgoyin chimbucho ki shenje sungtu ki kokap thobar gasor chimbuchungwa sungsong.
आई एम पावर एकेडमी फॉर स्किल से फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का कोर्स किया है 3 मंथ्स का कोर्स है और बहुत अच्छी तरह से सिखाया जाता है और हमें बहुत ही जल्द जॉब भी मिलने वाली है। गुरुजी का दर्शन हुए, उनने जो हमें बात बताई, जो शिक्षा दी है, बहुत अच्छा लगा सुनकर। यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है।
हमने ब्यूटिशियन का कोर्स किया है, हमें गुरुजी का आशीर्वाद मिला और यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ हमें। गुरुजी की सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि उन्होंने बताया था कि माइंड को कैसे फोकस करना है। ये बातें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी।
M3M Foundation yi I Empower Academy for Skills shebe leshi wo gyaga gi sacho khangsa ne penjo shenbe kimchang gi thugu chola rime tho tuthung la she jongdar na de khonam la rangkha rangse chowa nirgyu thela ramde nangi yobare du tengdir leshi di khong chemsu da traso jeso lokche da thuche so le so leri damin thola shungi gyada nishu lobthar sende khongnam chiso na ngwe su lega guzu manang khong chino khong se kem gwen chimbu chogi jekhar chawre du